Natural salt. How to use it to clean your home. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Do you need health and cleaning tips using eco-friendly methods? Check out the videos we've uploaded to our channel. Feel free to share and like our videos and hit the subscribe button. Did you know that your good old sodium chloride do more than make your food tasty? It is also an effective household cleaner. Listed below are a few of the many uses of natural salt around your home. Natural salt also tops the list when it comes to non-toxic cleaning alternatives. It can serve as a gentle yet extremely effective scouring agent. It can also serve as a catalyst for vinegar and other natural ingredients to boost deodorizing and cleaning actions. You can use salt to clean your sink drains and get rid of water marks on wood tables. It is also an effective cleaner for stained cups, greasy pans, rust, glass coffee pot, refrigerators, and even brass or copper. It can take out wine spills from tablecloths, brighten the colors of curtains or fiber rugs, and perspiration stains on fabrics. Natural salt can also deter ants and patio weeds, help extinguish fires, keep flowers fresh, drip-proof candles, as well as de-ice driveways and sidewalks. Renew your old cast iron skillets. Do you have quite a lot of old and unused old cast iron skillets? Breathe new life to these kitchen items and make them all burger ready with just salt and paper towel. Expert cleaners revealed that using coarser salt will provide better results. All you need to do is sprinkle natural salt into the dry, rusty, and grimy cast iron skillet. Then get a paper towel or a sponge and scour the skillet. You can also add enough salt to create a heavier layer and then dampen it slightly. Leave it for 10 minutes and clean it thoroughly afterward. Clean scum-coated glassware. Have you ever tried leaving your flower vase out longer than you're supposed to? You will notice that the vase has been coated with scum in areas that are hard to clean. Fill the dirty vase with warm water and add 1/3 cup of salt. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Cover the glass opening with your hand or a sponge. Shake it well to get rid of the grime and then rinse. Remove coffee stains. Do you love to drink coffee? If so, have you noticed some of your cups marred with coffee stains? Don't worry. There is something you can do about it. Get some dish soap and add some salt. Scrub it on the stain and watch it disappear. Check the links in the description below. Remove sweat stains. Is white your favorite color? Do you wear a lot of whites? If so, you may have seen the underarms of your shirts turn yellow because of sweat. You can restore them to their original color by dabbing the area with a homemade natural cleaning solution. All you need are salt and hot water. Declog bathroom sink. One of the main reasons why bathroom sinks drain slowly is soap scum buildup. To prevent it from accumulating, pour a cup of salt and baking soda as well as half a cup of white vinegar. Leave it for 10 minutes and then flush the plumbing pipes with boiling water. Check out our other cleaning tips where orange peels are used as a home cleaner. Check the links in the description below.